everybody. This is Sherman Ray, and this is Leadership in Action for a Wednesday. As you can see, I finished my midweek run. Now my midweek run is officially my short run now, which is 5 miles. So that used to be my long run a few weeks back, but now it's my midweek run. It's actually my training run, which is pretty interesting. So which means that I have to run as hard as I can now to get this midweek run in, to get it done, because it used to be my long run. That's a good thing, because it's really more and more of the training that I've got to do to get ready for this marathon at the end of the year. Hey, one of the things I want to talk to you about a little bit about today is prioritizing your day and being able to get everything in the end of the day. As a CEO, you got to wear a lot of hats. You've got to be the bottle washer, the baker, the cashier. You've got to do a lot of things in order to run a successful business. So you've got to learn how to juggle a lot of things. Unfortunately, for a lot of people, what they do is they say, you know what, I can't do it all, so I'm only going to do one thing, and obviously their businesses fail because they're not able to assimilate into a lot of things. So really one of the things I want to concentrate on today when I talk to you is really about prioritizing your day, getting everything in so you've got plenty of time to get in 2 or 3 things, plus have time for your family and worship and all that other good stuff. So what I really encourage you to do is get out a planner, whether it be your PDA, whether it be your iPad or whatever, whether it be stick and chalk and whatever. But you need to prioritize your day. And the first thing you need to begin to do in that day is set aside an hour for yourself in the morning. Okay? An hour to start out your day. It's got to be your time, because really the rest of your time is going to be spent on business, mentoring everybody else and family. So in order for you not to feel like you're pulling your hair out, okay, you need to spend at least an hour a day in the morning by yourself, meditating, doing whatever you got to do, working out like I'm doing, and spend that day. Then throughout the day, spend a priority of your time on your main business, okay? Whatever's giving you the most benefit, or the ROI, return on investment, spend the most of your time there. Then you've got your secondary thing that you're going to spend another 10% of your time, and then another thing, if you can fit it in, before the end of the day. So that's 3 things you're going to be doing. Actually, it's 4 things. You, your business, priority 2, priority 3, and then your family. At the end of the day, give yourself plenty of time. I'm generally done with my day by like 7 o'clock, where I've got everything in that I've got to get in. Sometimes I push to 8 o'clock, but then I've got the rest of the evening to spend with my family, and on average, folks, I'll tell you, most people don't even spend 5 minutes with their family. So at least spend some time with your family at the end of the day, just to feel that sense of connectedness, where you're talking, you're laughing, that kind of stuff. Well, anyways, this has been Sherman Ray, and this has been Leadership in Action. If you'd like what you hear here today, I'd like you to go to my website, which is www.shermanray.com, or you can go to redlettermedia.net. Find out all about me, about books and tapes, and even if you'd like me to speak at one of your corporate outings, I'd love to come there and share with you some leadership principles. If you're in Vegas, come to our networking group, which is called the Diversity Networking Group. You can reach us at www.diversitynetworkinggroup.com. Or if you're on a weekly basis, you can actually see myself and the lovely Mrs. Ray. For those of you who don't know who my wife is, she's the lovely Mrs. Ray. You can see us on Ustream.tv and # This Week in D&G Radio. And you can actually hear me on a weekly basis talking about business and leadership and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, this has been Sherman Ray. We will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.